what we are discussing about prokaryotic cell we were discussing. I told you at the outer side capsule is present, then after that cell wall is present. Now it is a bacteria cell or prokaryotic cell, so composition of cell wall is different to that of plant cell. Here cell wall is present, then nucleoid region is there in which DNA is present. Plasmid circular DNA is also present, and fluid which is filled inside the bacterial cell is called cytoplasm. So this is cytoplasm which is filled here. Cytoplasm. That is also known as cytosol. Okay. Then comes ribosomes which are scattered in this cytoplasm. These are ribosomes scattered in the cytoplasm. Ribosome scattered in the cytoplasm. Ribosome is also present. Flagella is there for movement. Apart from these, hair-like projection is also present around this prokaryotic cell. These hair-like projections are called fimbriae. These fimbriae are present around this bacterial cell. Fimbriae. Fimbriae is present around this bacterial cell. So this is one of the example of prokaryotic cell in which these things are present. And behind cell wall, cell membrane is also there, which I have not drawn. This is the cell membrane inside the cell wall. Cell membrane. This is the typical structure of prokaryotic cell, which can be seen clearly here. Now we will discuss some point of difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Now I am going to rub this structure. This is the structure of a typical prokaryotic cell. Now we are going to compare prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells one by one. Here we will write the features. Here we will write prokaryotic cell. Here we will write eukaryotic cell. So prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Firstly, we will discuss about organism, example of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Firstly, we will discuss about examples. See, in prokaryotic cell, bacterial cell, cyanobacterial cell, cyanobacteria and mycoplasma are the example. Bacterial cell, blue-green algae, are example of this prokaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell comes fungi, plant and animal cell. clear to everybody? Bacterial cells, blue green algae, fungus, plant and animal cells. Then comes typical size. Size when we are talking about prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Then we discuss about size. Here prokaryotic cell is of 1 to 10 micrometer in size. And here 1 to 100 micrometer in size. Size is clear? 1 to 10 micrometer and 1 to 100 micrometer. Type of nucleus. Here it is nucleoid region, means not true nucleus. Not true. Nucleoid region which is not true. Here true nucleus is present. True nucleus. The 3 points we have already discussed. Example, typical size, nucleus. Now we will talk about DNA. Circular DNA. So circular DNA is there. And here linear DNA in form of chromosome is available. Chromosomes. So DNA is also clear. Then comes RNA and protein synthesis. See, RNA and protein synthesis when we are talking about, so RNA synthesis and protein synthesis in prokaryotic cell takes place in cytoplasm or cytosol. In cytoplasm. But when we are talking about eukaryotic cell, in eukaryotic cell, RNA is synthesized in nucleus. RNA synthesis in nucleus. Protein synthesis in cytoplasm. In cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. Then we will talk about ribosomes. See, in prokaryotic cell, 70S type ribosome is present. And how it is? 50S plus 30S equal to 70S. 70S type ribosome is present in prokaryotic cell, and in eukaryotic cell it is 60S plus 40S equal to 80S. 80S. This is about ribosomes. Cytoplasmic structures, the organelles. Organelles are less in number and organelles are in eukaryotic cells, they are more in number. way we are talking about prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell movement. Now we will talk about mitochondria. Mitochondria absent in prokaryotic cell, but present in eukaryotic cell. Here they are present. Once again, chloroplast is absent. Chloroplast present in plant cell. Organization, we will discuss about organization also. When we are talking about organization, prokaryotes are single celled. Whereas in eukaryotic cell, single to multicellular organism. Eukaryotic cells are single to multicellular organism. Then comes cell division. Cell division is the last point in comparison of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Cell division. Prokaryotic cell divide by binary fission. Cell division binary fission by mitosis or meiosis. So in this way we have discussed the differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, and with this our first chapter is completed. It was about cell, plant and animal cell, prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Now in next lecture we will discuss about next chapter. Till further, goodbye.